Imagine this. You're heading out for a jog, and your phone connects seamlessly to your wireless earbuds. No wires, no hassle. Magic, right? But have you ever stopped and wondered how this tiny miracle works? Stick around because today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Bluetooth. And trust me, you'll never look at your gadgets the same way again. Not too long ago, connecting devices was a headache. Remember tangled headphone wires? Or transferring files with clunky cables? It wasn't just inconvenient, it was a barrier to innovation. Enter Bluetooth. Born in the late 1990s, this technology promised to connect devices wirelessly, and it changed the game forever. Fun fact, Bluetooth is named after a 10th century Danish king, Harald Bluetooth Gormson, known for uniting warring factions. Like the king, Bluetooth unites our devices. Cool, right? So how does it work? Let's simplify it. Bluetooth uses radio waves, invisible signals, to connect devices over short distances. Think of it like two friends talking in a secret language that no one else can hear. Before devices can talk, they need to recognize each other. This is called pairing. It's like introducing two friends at a party. Once paired, they remember each other for future conversations. Once paired, Bluetooth uses a specific frequency, 2.4 GHz, to send and receive data. It's like two walkie-talkies communicating on the same channel. And here's the best part. Bluetooth is designed to be energy efficient, so your devices can stay connected without draining their batteries. Bluetooth isn't just for headphones. It's the backbone of many technologies we use daily. Here are a few examples that might surprise you. Smart homes. From smart lights to thermostats, Bluetooth powers your connected home. Imagine dimming the lights from your couch or adjusting the AC from your bed, all wirelessly. Health devices. Fitness trackers, glucose monitors, and even hearing aids use Bluetooth to sync with your phone, giving you real-time health insights. Car connectivity. Hands-free calls, music streaming, and even navigation systems rely on Bluetooth to keep you connected while driving. But it's not just about convenience. Bluetooth has quietly transformed industries, making technology more accessible and user-friendly. All right, let's tackle some common questions. How secure is Bluetooth? Great question. Bluetooth uses encryption to keep your data safe. Think of it as a digital lock that prevents unauthorized access. However, it's always a good idea to turn off Bluetooth when not in use to avoid potential threats. What's the range of Bluetooth? Most devices have a range of about 30 feet, but newer versions like Bluetooth 5.0 can go up to 800 feet in some cases. Can multiple devices connect at once? Yes. Modern Bluetooth can connect multiple devices simultaneously. For example, you can connect your phone to a smartwatch and wireless earbuds at the same time. Bluetooth has come a long way since its inception. Early versions were slow and limited, but today we have Bluetooth 5.0 and beyond, offering faster speeds, longer ranges, and better reliability. And the future? It's even more exciting. Think wearable tech, connected cities, and seamless communication between everything you own. Bluetooth is the silent hero making it all possible. At its core, Bluetooth isn't just about technology, it's about connection. It's the thread that links us to our loved ones, enhances our productivity, and makes life just a little bit easier. Whether it's sharing a laugh over a video call or streaming your favorite song during a tough day, Bluetooth is there, quietly working in the background. So why should you care? Here's what you gain by understanding Bluetooth. Smarter decisions. Knowing how Bluetooth works helps you choose the right devices for your needs. Enhanced security. You'll know how to protect your devices from potential threats. Future ready. Understanding the basics of Bluetooth prepares you for emerging technologies. And let's be honest, impressing your friends with random tech knowledge is always a bonus. Bluetooth may be invisible, but its impact is everywhere. Now that you know how it works, you'll start to see it, or rather, sense it, in everything you do. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. What other everyday technologies would you like to demystify? Drop a comment below and let's keep exploring together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the tech that shapes our lives.